Okay, this one's just going to be a little short video. I said in my last video that I wanted to do a little toolbox tour update because I moved stuff around. That's all. So let's get into it. Okay, if you remember in the other video, my toolbox tour of this toolbox, the Matco box, this drawer had like a hacksaw and some knives and cutters and stuff like that in it. Now it has my ratchets. You've just seen them in my latest video with the spark plug sockets. Like I said, there's double swivel spark plug sockets. Snap on, those are awesome. Not going to go over what all the stuff is because you've already seen it in my other toolbox tour. Just wanted to show you the update. Let's close this. Open this. Now before, all my sockets and extensions, my ratchets and extensions was in this little space right here. My ratchets was here and my extensions was down here. Now, let me get on this side, maybe the light won't glare so bad. Now, this is all extensions. Extensions and adapters, whatnot. 3/8 or a quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. This is the one I just did a video on along with those spark plug sockets, a 1/2 inch. There's the 3/8 and there's the quarter. I guess you can see that. And there's the sockets. I still got to figure out what to do with. But anyway, sockets are getting full. Some of them spaces that was empty is now filled up. Alright, here's the screwdriver drawer. If you look at my toolbox tour, you'll see that these and these was over here going this way. And then, of course I have my big long pry bars and all up there running this way. So now pretty much everything except for some loose stuff is running the same way. I don't know if it looks better because I got so used to the way it was, but it is what it is. There's the Ulsa Torx drivers. There's my snap-on Torx drivers. They was in a plastic thing, something like this, but they was breaking up and all that. So now I got, let me go to a little bigger one. Let's see what we got here. Tamper proof on this side and the regular ones on this side. Okay, I guess that's tamper proof. If there's a hole in that one, it sure is awful small. Maybe I got them switched. No. Oh well, I don't know. I don't see no hole in that one. Oh well. Go figure. Anyway, I just wanted to update you on that. Awesome. Mac ratchet screwdriver, snap on, and of course I got the regular length adapter that goes in there in the handle, and then I got the super long one that goes in there and makes the screwdriver long. Anyway, now my wrenches, I really ain't done anything with these. You can see in my toolbox tour what everything is. There's everything in here from Blue Point to Craftsman to Snap-on to Sun X to Capri Mac, whatever you can think of is in here, KD. But my problem is, this is my metric drawer. My problem is I have to fit those wrenches, also Tools wrenches, those are the metric ones, to push to reverse ratchet wrenches, in this drawer somehow. I don't know how yet. And then in this drawer is the the standard drawer, and it's got the same brands as the other one. But as you can see, there really ain't that much room in here. And I need to have enough room to put these in there and these from MicroPro that I got from Just Wrench It. Obviously I got these from Ulsa, but whatever. Anyway, I think that's about it. That's all I got for this one. I think that's about all I did. Oh wait, no it ain't. Look here. Everybody's probably already noticed it, and I just totally forgot all about it. As you can see, there is no more faded red drawer handles. Even over here, up the sides, all the way up the side, and on the hutch. Where's it at? There it is. And all the way across the hutch. Excuse the mess on the hutch. I still ain't got it cleaned up. Been too busy. Personal stuff, but anyway. Just want to show you this. It's kind of a pain in the you-know-what to install. It's just vinyl wrap is all it is. Got it from Amazon. But it dang sure made a big difference in the way this toolbox looks. I think it looks a whole lot better like this, instead of them 3 different color red that was on there. Well, a light red, a darker red, and then the bottom 2 or 3, I think, was faded almost pink. All that's gone. Matco wouldn't come fix it, so I fixed it the best that I could. Anyway, almost forgot to show you guys that. Hope you like it. I do. That's all I got for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.